Okay. Good morning, all of you. Okay. Can you hear me? My voice is clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
just tell me, last time where we have stopped? What was the last topic where we have stopped?
Making AND gate, making OR gate using NAND gate.
Means, wait. Just tell me one thing. We were making the other gates. We were making the other gates by using NAND gate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, by using NAND gate, we have made AND gate, this is over.
Yes, sir.
This is over.
Yes, sir.
And by using NAND gate, do we made OR gate? That is also over.
Yes, sir.
By
Yes.
using NAND gate, do we made NOT gate? No. Only two things we have done. Rimsha, you can
Yes,
also.
sir.
Wait, Rimsha. Now speak.
Yes, sir. Only AND and OR gate we have made.
I have. This part is over.
Yes, sir.
This part is over.
Yes, sir.
We have to start from here.
Yes, sir.
You have to start from here. NAND gate, making NOT gate by using NAND gate. Okay. It means that only two things we have discussed. Okay. Put today's date. Put today's date. Put today's date and give the heading. Give the heading. NOT gate. NOT gate by using NAND gate. Next heading, very simple it is. NOT gate by using NAND gate. What is the result of a NOT gate? We get a complement. We get a complement. Okay. So in order to get a complement with the help of NAND gate, what I am going to do? Make the NAND gate first of all. NAND gate. Okay. First of all, make NAND gate. And we know that NAND gate required two inputs. NAND gate required two inputs. But I have to get, see, NOT means if A is the input, I have to get a complement. And one more thing I know that NOT gate having only one input. NOT gate having only one input. And for that input, I have to get a complement. Same thing I have to do with the NAND gate. But NAND gate will receive two input. You cannot give one input. You cannot give like this. A and suddenly we get a complement. This is blunder mistake. This is blunder mistake. What I am going to do? What I am going to do? Of course, I will give A only, but I will distribute it. I will distribute it. So what you are going to get here? A, and here also you are going to get input A only. So here what will you get? A dot A whole bar. Is it clear? And if you solve this expression by using De Morgan's law, what will you get? A complement plus A complement. And we have a rule also, one Boolean rule is there. A plus A. If you are writing A complement plus A complement, you will get A complement. Here also I am going to get A complement. Which is the output of NOT gate. Which is the output of NOT gate. Very simple it is. Okay. So till now, by using NAND gate, we have completed three things. AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Is it clear? Asma, it is clear? Any confusion till now? Rajat, any confusion? No. So by the NAND gate, we have made three basic gates. We have made. And OR and today we have discussed NOT gate. Okay, let us continue. Now, with the NAND gate, three more things we are going to discuss. Three more things we are going to discuss. With the NAND, I am going to make a NOR gate. With the NAND gate, I am going to make a XOR gate. With the NAND gate, I am going to make XNOR gate. Three I have completed. This three is over. Now by the NAND gate, we are going to make three more gates: NOR, XOR, XNOR. Is it clear? So let us start from here. NOR gate by using NAND gate. So put a next heading. What is the next heading? NOR gate using NAND gate. NOR gate using NAND gate. Now very simple it is. Nothing is there. Just one thing you have to remember it. NOR is the inverted of OR gate. Are you agree? NOR gate is the inverted of OR gate. Clear now? Now very simple circuit it is. You know how to make NAND gate, OR gate by using NAND gate. Am I right or wrong? You know how to make OR gate by using NAND gate. The circuit will remain as it is only. In order to get NOR, just put NOT gate. Just put NOT gate. But very important. Put NOT gate in the form of NAND gate. Simple. No need to learn. Just remember few things. How to make NOR gate? By using NAND gate? NOR. Remember it. How we have made OR gate by using NAND gate. Or NOR is just inverted of OR gate. How will you get NOR? Just putting a NOT gate. But in the form of NAND. So if you turn the page, just turn the page and look at the circuit. How we have made OR gate by using NAND gate. Just turn the page. So let me make. Just turn the page and see how we have made OR gate by using NAND gate. This was the circuit of OR gate A, B, here finally you will get A complement, A, here B, B. Here finally you will get B complement. When it will go here, A complement dot B complement, whole complement. Is it clear? This was the circuit of OR gate. This was the circuit of OR gate. Now I have to make NOR gate. Just put here not. But in the form of NAND gate. So what will you do here? Make a distribution here and put one more. So here you will get A plus B whole bar. You will get A plus B whole bar. NOR gate. Any confusion is there? See, if you solve this expression, A complement dot B complement whole complement, just solve it using De Morgan's law. A complement plus B complement. Here you will get A plus B. It means that this is equivalent to A plus B. So till here is the OR gate. I have to make NOR gate. Just put NOT gate. But in the form of NAND gate. So I have given here. So you will get A plus B whole complement. Sir, can you explain me how we are going to get A plus B whole complement? Why not? What will be the input here? A plus B. What will be the input here? A plus B. Is it clear? So let us solve the expression. Have you understand this concept? Now, two inputs are there, A plus B. This is your NAND gate. So what will you get? A plus B dot A plus B. A plus B dot A plus B whole complement. Solve this expression. Apply the De Morgan's law. A plus B complement plus A plus B complement. Is it clear? Now assume, very simple. Now assume this whole expression is your X. A plus B whole complement. Assume, let A plus B whole complement is equal to X. So finally, what are you getting here? X plus X. You know that by the Boolean law, X plus X is equal to X. And we have assumed that X is equal to A plus B complement, which I have got there, A plus B whole complement, which is the expression of NOR gate, Let assume this expression as X. So here I can write X plus X equal to X by Boolean law. What we have assumed X, A plus B whole complement. Over. So we got a result A plus B whole complement. So this is a circuit diagram of NOR gate using NAND gate. Sure. Now move to the next topic. Note down. Very interesting it is. How we making others gate by using NAND and NOR only. By using NAND and NOR only. That is why we have said they are universal gates. Now next, sorry, XOR gate using NAND gate. XOR gate using NAND gate. First of all, let us see what is the expression of XOR gate. A complement B plus A B complement. This is the expression of XOR gate. And we need this one. We need this one. We need this one. By using NAND gate. By using NAND gate. By using NAND gate. See, I am giving you hint. This is the expression. In this expression, I got plus. I got plus. And we know that by using a NAND or AND gate, we get a dot. We get a dot. Here we do not have a dot. Of course, here dot is there, but here we have a dot. But plus is also there. Plus is also there. It is not in the pure form of AND. You can see it is not pure in the form of AND. So let us do one thing. Do something so that this get converted into dot. Get converted into dot. So what I am going to do? Take double complement. Take double complement. Take double complement. Take double complement. A complement B plus A B complement. Double complement. So that the expression should not get affected. So that the expression should not get affected. Okay. Now apply De Morgan's law. Second. Apply De Morgan's law in inner complement. Inner complement. Here, what should I write? What I can write here? A complement B complement dot A B complement and whole complement. Here also I got dot. Here also I got dot. Now it is possible. Now it is possible that I can make circuit. I can make circuit for this expression. For this expression. And I know that this expression is equivalent to this expression. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. So let us make the circuit of this. Let us make the circuit of this. So come here. Look at the expression and make the circuit. You want A complement using NAND gate. Using NAND gate. So what will you do here? A complement. A complement. With A complement, I want B. So here I have a B. Their product, and then complement. Their product and complement. So here you apply one more. So what will you get? A complement dot B. This is your B. Whole complement. I have completed this part. I have completed this part. Now come to here. Come to here. Either you can take the connection from here or you can make it separately. Again, A as it is. B complement means B. Here you will get B complement, and this is your A. This is your A. A B complement. A B complement. Whole complement. Whole complement. So take one more. So what I am going to get? A dot B complement. Whole complement. So this part is also over. This part is also over. This part is also over. Now I want one more complement. I want one more complement. What does it mean? Let us add NOT gate. But don't use NOT gate. We will use NAND gate. So finally I am going to get A complement dot B whole complement dot A dot B complement whole complement, this complement, and because of this whole complement. And this expression is equivalent to this expression. If you solve this expression again by using De Morgan's law, again you will get the same thing. Again you will get the same thing. This is a circuit diagram of XOR gate. XOR gate by using NAND gate. By using NAND gate. Make the circuit.
So,
Yeah. Any doubt?
so can we make the same circuit in the form of OR and then we can replace with an AND gate? Because here it is a two-level circuit. So can we use that?
No. What do you want to say that?
So firstly, we'll make the expression of XOR in the form of AND and OR gate. After making the expression in AND and OR gate, we can change the AND and OR gate in the form of NAND gate. We can replace it.
Means first of all, you are going to make a normal circuit by using
And OR. And
AND
OR.
plus OR.
Yes, sir.
And you are going to replace
Yes, sir.
with NAND.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
I think so.
See, but this is a general method. This is the general method. This is the general method of making any expression using NAND gate. What you are telling, that concept is applicable if you have
Two levels.
something SOP expression. It is also SOP expression. Sum of product. Sum of
Products.
product. So we can do.
Thank you.
But problem is that, sir, other than SOP expression, if you are getting some other expression, and if I say to you, make this expression, draw the circuit diagram for this expression using NAND gate, then it is not applicable.
So, but if it is two level, we can use for both POS and SOP.
If it is coming, okay, no problem. I don't feel that, because sometimes it creates problems. Sometimes, if you are getting, so do it, no problem. It depends on the question. It depends on the question. Actually, but this is very general method of making any expression using NAND gate. I am going to discuss that topic also. For example, if any expression is given to you, any expression, and you have to make the circuit by using NAND gate. So how we are going to do? Your question, we will discuss that time also more better. Okay, Aryan, can you understand? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see. We will see that thing. We will see that thing. Okay. Maybe for this expression, maybe for this, what you are telling, maybe we will get. Make it and check it. Do it and check it whether we are getting the same thing or not. If we are getting same thing, okay, no problem. There are cases. There are situations where we make the circuit by using and or. We just replace it by NAND gate. We are getting the same result. Cases are there, but not always. Not always. Let me come to that topic. Then we will discuss that topic. Sir, we can make another way also. Okay. Anyhow, wait, just wait. So have you understand this concept, how to make an XOR gate by using NAND gate? Now come to the last one. Put a next heading. XNOR gate by using NAND gate. XNOR gate by using NAND gate. Very simple here also. Very simple. XNOR is the inverted of XOR. Am I right or wrong? XNOR is the inverted of XOR gate. Are you getting or not? XNOR is the inverted of XOR gate. What result we are getting with XOR gate? Just reverse we are getting. Just look at the truth table. What output we are getting for XOR gate? Just opposite, we have got the result for XNOR gate. Is it clear? Now, in order to make the circuit diagram, very simple, sir. This is your XOR gate. This is your XOR gate. In order to get XNOR gate, what I have to do? With XOR gate, put NOT gate. But in the form of NAND gate. So XOR gate, put NOT gate, but in the form of NAND gate. So what will you get? XNOR. Simple. XNOR is the inverted of XOR gate. You can say that it is a complement of XOR gate. XNOR gate is the complement of XOR gate. So first of all, make XOR gate, and at last put NOT. But NOT should be NOT gate. Put NOT gate, but it should be in the form of NAND gate. What I am going to do there? Since I do not have a space, so I am bringing this input. Just to show you, I have brought the input from here. This is my XOR gate. Distribute it and put one NAND gate here. The output which will you get, that will be your XNOR gate. Output which the output which you will get, that will be your XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Very simple. Okay. Now overall, just make a conclusion. Just make a conclusion here. With NAND gate, all the gates we have discussed. We have done AND, we have made OR, we have made NOT, we have made XOR, we have made XNOR, and very important, with the help of NAND, we have made NOR. Both are universal gate. Both are universal gate. But from one universal gate, I am making another universal gate. From one universal gate, I am making another universal gate. So this topic is over. Aditi, you want to say anything? Harsh? Harsh?
No, sir.
No? These are the topics we have covered. These are the topics we have covered with the help of NAND gate. And or not we have made XOR, XNOR and NOT. Today, these three topics we have discussed. These three topics we have discussed. Okay. Just revise it. It needs revision. It needs revision actually. Once you revise, automatically you will understand what is the relation. What is the tips? What are the tricks to make the diagram, circuit diagram, to make the circuit diagram. In certain case, you have to remember the circuit, but in certain case, you have to use a trick. Just you have to remember few points. You have to remember few points. Now, next topic. Again, we are going to do the same thing. But this time I am going to use NOR gate. So let us start again a new topic. Once you have understand all these concepts, same thing I am going to apply in NOR also. So let us start from AND gate using NOR gate. From this topic, always one question comes in the board. 2 marks question. Always something they may ask. Something they will ask. Something they will ask. So AND gate by using NOR gate. AND means A dot B. I suppose to get A dot B. But we have to use a NOR gate. We know that NOR always used for plus sign. Always used for plus sign. So if I do double complement for this, do one thing. Just leave the page. First of all, let us make NOT gate. NOT gate using NOR gate. Because everywhere it helped me. So let us first start from here. NOT gate using NOR gate. What is the meaning of NOT gate? We know all. So make a circuit for this. A, two inputs with NOR gate. OR plus NOT. A complement. This is the circuit of NOT gate by using NOR gate. Over. Do you want me to explain also how to get same thing, expression, same expression, same expression? Over. Next. Now come to here. AND gate using NOR gate. AND gate, next topic. Now come to the first topic. AND gate using NOR gate. What is the meaning of AND gate here? A dot B. I have to make with an OR. Here if I get plus, if I get plus here, it will be easy for me to understand. Take double complement. Double complement. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. A complement plus B complement whole complement. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. You got the plus. Now it is very easy for you to make the circuit for this using NOR gate. Very simple. A complement you want. You got A complement. You want B complement. Overall complement you want. A complement plus B complement. And overall complement. It is nothing but A dot B. It is nothing but A dot B only. AND gate using NOR gate. Shall I rub this one? Avinash, any confusion? It requires revision. Ayushi, sure, na? Are you doing class regular? Keep it up. Vinay, yeah. Is it clear? Are you getting the things? Janvi Singh, Janvi. I think just you have taken the bath, huh? That is why you have not combed your hair and all this thing. Huh? Akansha, clear now it is. Okay. AND gate using NOR gate. Now put next heading. OR gate using NOR gate. OR means what is the meaning of OR? Sir, A plus B. Already plus is there. Okay, leave it as it is, A plus B. NOR. A plus B. Two input is possible, A and B. Two input is possible. So here you will get a plus b whole complement. You will get a plus b whole complement. But I need only a plus b. I need only a plus b. I need only a plus b. So what you can do? What you can do? Take one more time complement. Take one more time complement. So what I am going to do? Here I am going to apply NOT gate. Here I am going to apply. Here I am going to apply NOT gate. But in the form of NOT gate. In the form of in the form of NOR gate. In the form of NOR gate. Very simple. So how we write NOT gate by using NOR gate? We know. Two inputs. A plus b whole complement. Here also I am going to put a plus b whole complement. Make an NOR gate here. NOR gate. So directly you are going to get a plus b. A plus b you will get. And if you have a doubt, let us solve the expression. Actually, you are going to get here a plus b complement plus a plus b complement with complement. Sure? If you look at the expression carefully, just assume this as a x. Just assume this as a x. Otherwise, wait. No need to make the thing complicated. Apply De Morgan's law. Apply De Morgan's law. A plus b complement dot a plus b complement. Very simple. Why to make the things complicated? De Morgan's law. Apply De Morgan's law. Complement of complement. A plus b dot a plus b. Now here it is easy. Assume x dot x, and we know that by the law, x dot x is equal to x. So here I am going to get a plus b. That is the final result, a plus b. So how did you get this? De Morgan's law. How did you get this a plus b here? Complement or complement? Complementary law. And x dot x. Can you tell me which law it is? Which law it is? Which law it is? Which law it is? Any one of you?
Potence law.
Somebody. Which one? Which law it is?
Potence.
Idempotence law. Very good. Right on. So by this, Here I have applied. Here I have applied. Idempotent law. So let us stop here only. The two things we have done with the NOR gate and no, all the three basic gates we have made. All the three basic gates we have made. And, or, and not. Three more are there. Three more are there. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.